Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to capture a full screen screenshot with the Snipping Tool on Windows in 2026. First, open the Snipping Tool from the Start menu by searching for Snipping Tool. Make sure you are in screenshot mode. Next, click the small drop-down arrow next to the new button. From the menu, select Full Screen Snip. As soon as you click it, the Snipping Tool will capture your entire screen automatically. The full screen screenshot will open in the Snipping Tool editor. You can quickly review the screenshot before saving it. To save the image, click the Save icon in the top right corner. Choose a folder such as Pictures or Desktop, enter a file name, and click Save. You can also click the Copy icon to copy the full screen screenshot and paste it into Paint, Word, PowerPoint, or any other application. Using the full screen snip option is the fastest way to capture everything visible on your screen at once. That's how to capture a full screen screenshot with the Snipping Tool on Windows in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tutorials.